In this video, I will show you how to cancel your Zendrop subscription from within Shopify. So to do this, open up Shopify, and for this to work, you will also need to have started your subscription through Shopify, which many people have. And if that's the case, then just go to Settings in the bottom left, and then you want to click on Apps and Sales Channels. Then here you will find Zendrop, so go and click on the three dots there and click View Details. Now here you can see the charges, and when the next bill is. Now if you want to go and cancel it, scroll to the bottom and click uninstall. And as you can see, a request will be sent to the app developer within 48 hours to delete all personal customer information. So click uninstall app, and then from there choose what you want to do with the inventory. And then you can also choose a reason for uninstalling, and then click uninstall. And now you have successfully uninstalled Zendrop and then also cancelled your Zendrop subscription through Shopify. So you can now also see on Zendrop it has been disconnected from my account. So that's how to cancel your Zendrop subscription on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.